Ako honestly, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa pulisya, no, for doing the hard work, to General Torre, or to, I really commend them because I know how probably hostile that environment was, but there was no letting down and the rule of law. Madaling sabihin na issue to tungkol sa kay Pastor Kibuloy. Pero ako bilang, isa sa pinakamalakas aming advocacy sa Tingog Party List is child welfare and human trafficking. Sabi talaga namin, we should not forget that this issue is not about the perpetrator. It's about the victim. It's about those people who were trafficked, those minors who were sent abroad na pinag-asawa, yung mga biktima ng mga krimen na nangyari doon. Kung si Apollo Kibuloy man ang may sala dyan, nasa korte na po yun ngayon. At natutuwa po tayo na finally justice can, prevail.